Stay. Oh man. Oh, hello there. So today we're actually going to be going over, well, it's another door lock video. I guess we're not really going over anything. This is just a fun video. What we're doing is we're taking representatives from each tier. We're going to sit them down and they're going to install a door lock onto a door. Like we did in our last video. A couple things to this. They have no idea that they're doing this, first of all, because, I mean, that just makes things more fun. The next thing is to show you guys just how easy this really can be. We're gonna time these representatives and see how fast that they can do this, and it's gonna be great. Because I mean, they don't even know. Man, they just don't. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go.
Yeah, it's on a door lock.
I'm assuming you now know what you're probably going to be doing.
Yes, I'm going to be assembling this.
Chad, I'm assuming you know what you're doing now.
Yes.
Yes. Did the video make sense?
It did. It was really, really easy too.
All right.
Now there's a catch.
Okay.
You're going to be timed. And you're going to be timed.
Oh, God.
You need to be competitive. You need to get your competitive face on. Because I'm going to time you. And then that time is going to be compared to other times.
Okay.
Are you sure you can live up to this challenge?
Yeah, dude.
Can you be the best door lock installer that ever was? Oh, we're getting serious. All right, man. 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Oh.
Chad, how's your install going so far?
How's the what?
How's the install going?
Oh, the install. So far, pretty good.
The approach you're taking here is
I'm just getting it ready. Don't worry.
oh, you're just getting it ready.
Yep.
Oh, I see. So, but yeah, what's your
First
nickname
one?
going to be after this?
Well, a few nicknames that I would suggest, but probably shouldn't.
Okay. And then that feeds into there. Very helpful tip.
I'm a preparer. I'm sorry.
You're a preparer.
Yes, I like to have everything prepared in steps.
So when you see this whole thing disassembled in front of you,
I'm going, okay, this is what I gotta do. I'm doing it all in my mind. I'm analyzing it.
okay, fair enough. And they want you to some very epic music playing. Very, very epic music. Like, I don't know, symphonies, violins.
Symphonies and violins.
Dude, I don't know.
I mean, sometimes it might encourage them to do it.
Oh, for sure.
You know? You could offer them, say, hey, if you get the fastest time ever, I'll give you $5. Goodwill.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
No, that's exactly it, man.
That's a good option.
And looking good. Ooh, very nice.
Have you seen Zootopia yet?
Yeah, I've seen Zootopia.
That freaking tiger at the front. OMG, goodness. This left screw.
Don't look at me, I can't change it.
That's alright.
This screwdriver stinks, by the way.
Oh yeah, no, that's the point.
Oh, it's magic. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Making progress over there.
Finally.
Just a little bit of
I
fidgeting.
needed to be lined up.
Okay. Okay, got one.
One. I did that on purpose.
It doesn't slide on. Good.
There you go.
Okay. Huh?
All right.
Good.
Okay. Okay. Oh man, time.
It's just a lock.
No, you're done. You got it. Almost done, and good job. All right. Whew. What do you think your time was?
12 minutes.
No. Actually, cut that in half. Your time officially is 6:21. Your time, 7 minutes and 24 seconds. So that's not bad. 7 minutes and 42 seconds.
Okay.
It's pretty good.
That is pretty good. Like I said, I used to do these for a long time, not the electronic ones though.
No, it's okay. So your time was 8 minutes and
Oh,
25 seconds.
Wow.
So that was pretty good. Would you say most customers would be able to do this?
No. Well, can they do it? Yes. You mean in 6 minutes? Nah.
Would you say though, like let's be real for a second, would you say that this is pretty easy?
Yes. of
Okay,
course.
cool. Would you say that any customer would be able to do this?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's pretty simple, self-explanatory.
Yeah.
Just need a screwdriver and patience.
Would you say that the majority of our customers would be able to do this themselves?
Oh yeah,
Pretty easy, right?
super easy.
Do you think that any representative could walk their customers through how to do this successfully? Or the majority of customers?
Yes.
So, before I set you off, a couple more questions. Do you mind telling everyone what department you're in?
I am tier 3.
There you go. You mind telling me what department you're in?
Customer care tier 4.
Customer care tier 4. Okay.
I am in QRF, Quick Response Force.
I'm in tier 2, customer service and technical support.
Do you mind telling everyone how long you've been on the phones for?
I've only been on the phone for 3 days.
All right, fist bump.
All right.
Okay,
Thanks.
we're gonna walk over here. We're ready? Good job. Fist bump. All right, let's go. All right, fist bump.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna walk this way. Okay. All right. All right. Well, Todd, I appreciate your time. Fist bump. Let's go.